So Penty there, 11-8. Well, he does seem to be quite composed here. The Danes here enjoying the badminton carnival. New Delhi sitting pretty with a 2-0 lead. But Penty here may well play the spoiler.
Service over, 9-11.
How difficult it is, Dinesh, to play tactically against a left-hander, because 95% of players being right-handers, we are so used to strategizing against the right-handers.
Quite right. I mean, you do need to get a little used to that. Otherwise, once you do that, obviously, I mean, I don't think it should really matter that much, except that left-handers have a natural deception. Of course, we had our own Satish Bhatia from India, who was a great player in his own right. But, of course, the others could get measure of him.
Well, Penty there coming in with great deceptive drop shots there. This time cross court on the forehand side and catching Wittingers by surprise. That's the shot. Beautifully played and really looks nice. So very articulate. Well, he finds an empty corner. Beats the Englishman this time, Wittingers.
Push was not very deep, as we can see here, and intercepting it very well. Wittingers reducing the gap. Still 3 points lead for the Englishman.
Well, he really plucked it out of the air, so to speak there. Toby Penty, the shuttle was whizzing past him, but just somehow managed to get to the shuttle, lean into it and just plucked it. There it is. Almost a clean winner. 14-10.
Penty playing much above his world ranking. Far better display. Wittingers trying his best to come back into this game.
Well, it's very crucial for Toby Penty, Dinesh. Not so much experience so far we have seen on his career graph, but then he's playing the second singles for England, and England is love 2 down in the tie score. So it is up to him now to ensure if they have to have their point on the scoreboard for England, and if England is still alive after this match.
Yes, to keep the tie alive is up to him now.
Service over,
Still
15-12.
a decent lead here of 3 points, and we are coming near the closing stages of the first game. He was waiting near the net because the shuttle had gone down. It was very close to the net, so the only thing Penty could do was place it at the net. Wittingers right there for a tap. And that was a miss hit, trying to not in the right position for that one. He was still leaning back and hits it almost in the middle of the net.
Good court coverage from the Dane.
Excellent rally. Oh, excellent rally, Sanjay. And in fact, both the players moving very well on the court, and finally Wittingers getting the point. And these kind of, and that's the smash, good return. And this is the one again. Penty pushing it back, but wide on the baseline. So Sanjay, Score equalized at 15 all. Penty had been in the lead all through till this stage of this match. He was up 15-12, so 3 points scored by Vittingus in a row. And as we can see, he seems to be panting. Penty seems to be panting. And obviously these kind of rallies do take their toll on the players, and it's a test of their stamina, staying power and fitness.
Well, a good point there for Vittingus. He was on the run most of the time in that rally, and he gets a good point here this time. Just a slight touch on the tape, and he gets a net cord. That's the one.
And Sanjay, these kind of long rallies, if you win, you certainly get a psychological advantage.
Yes, and finally he's in the lead position now by that 1 point. Oh, that is a typical left-hander toss. So much deception there. Vittingus in fact pulled in the front by that action.
He was moving in the wrong direction. I mean, beautiful toss.
And then finally
he showed that he's going to drop, and made Vittingus move towards the net, and finally beautifully played that attacking toss.
Well, good reflexes there by Vittingus. Low service, gets the opening.
Service over.
Nicely played.
17-16.
Anything short of length, so to speak, towards the middle of the court, there is instant retribution. Missed it there. Toby Penty was very much in position there, playing that block on the net. Somehow not getting it across. And Vittingus takes the lead now, 2 points. In fact, he was struggling most of the time, trying to play catch up with this Englishman. Good backhand there from Toby. Well, again missing out there when he had done so much work, got the opening, and going for that backhand tap. Normally the left-handers, we have seen, Dinesh, over the decades are averse to taking backhand. They normally go for that overhead court, but this young man rather from England, gets into the backhand easily.
Now, English players that way have used their backhand quite frequently, because that saves you a little step, more economical movements. And
20. Game
that
point
was
16.
smashed wide.
And that gives a game point to Vittingus for Denmark. Oh yes, just a little punch on the shuttle,
Service
bouncing it
over.
off the floor. Good anticipation. Was hovering around the net.
20.
There we see him coming. That's the fun. It gets him the point, so saving 1 game point there. 17-20. A good flick service there. Gets the opening for him, and just a lazy looking half smash, but did the damage. There you see. Not putting so much shoulder there behind in that shot.
There was a little slice on that one, it seemed.
Yes, the slice in fact cuts down the speed of the shuttle, keeps it in court.
Toby.
18-20.
Yeah, sorry, there's a flash constantly on.
And the third game point saved there. Well, it's becoming really dramatic now. Vittingus, it looked as if he was going to run away with this game, Dinesh. 2016, and suddenly he finds himself staring at a 19-20 scoreboard.
Penty coming back strongly, in fact playing very positive. At one time it appeared after a long rally that he might be a little tired.
Well, finally the anticipation there, the push on the deep forehand area gets the opening for the Dane, and he wins the first game 21-19. So 21-19, just 17 minutes, but a lot of hard work there for Vittingus. Almost lost the plot there towards the end of this game, 2016 up. Suddenly saw this southpaw from England, a tall man, coming as close, dangerously close at 19-20. Some lovely shots. That typical deception of the left-hander coming through. Not averse to play his backhand also, and sometimes in fact even we have seen him smashing down from the backhand area. So plays his game, plays his strokes, takes his risk there, Toby Penty. And Denmark's Vittingus, in fact a bit lucky to get the first game 21-19. Dinesh Khanna with me has been a former national champion, Asian champion of India, and played Thomas Cup in the early 60s till early 70s. You must have seen a lot of Danish badminton in Thomas Cup. Dinesh, how has the game changed, or they play the same style?
No, certainly the game has to an extent changed, because the scoring system has become different. So the training methods have become different, and game has become more professional. In our times, it was well, you would practice almost not more than 14 to 15 hours a week. And now, if you have to play internationally, you have to be playing almost 35 hours a week. So that makes all the difference.
Well, and obviously in your time you had very few international events. Nowadays there is an event every week. Players have to choose.
4-1.
We had a couple of them in a year.
Well, the All England and the Thomas Cup were the only two things, only two events where everybody looked up to. But Vittingus here, 4-1. Oh, bit unlucky there. He caught the shuttle behind him
2-4.
and catches the tape there. But of all the players, Dinesh, would you say that Erland Kops was probably the best that Denmark has produced, or would it be Fleming Delves or Morten Frost?
I would certainly rate Morten Frost higher, because he played in the arena when Chinese had come to the international field. So that made the competition that much more stiff.
So Penty there catching up again. Had so much going for him in the first game. 6 love to start off with. Well, he was leading 11-4.
4-all.
Up to the 15th point in the first game, Penty was in the lead. And thereafter, Vittingus took over. But of course, his problem was not over when he was leading 20-16, 3 game points saved by Penty there by some great display. But finally, of course, Vittingus getting the first game at 21-19.
Well, he's moved into lead again now. Penty. Very impressive young man. Gets all the strokes. He has to be a little careful here, playing from this side,
5-all.
as the tendency of the draft is to push the shuttle out on the baseline from this side. That's the one nicely judged by Vittingus. Oh, bit lucky there, catching the tape.
6-5.
Shuttle just bouncing over, 6-5.
Fault. Service over.
England also,
6-all.
Dinesh, Sir George Thomas, of course, one of the great players. But then during my time at least, and I'm sure you also will remember the names of Derek Talbot, Ray Stevens, Mike Trudgett. A lot of useful players coming out of England.
Yes, certainly. Of course, I've played against some of them. Derek Talbot have played. Roger Mills was there. Did very well in the Commonwealth Games. And quite a few players. But they never came to the later stages of the Thomas Cup. Not have been really contenders for the trophy at any point of time.
Service
But
over.
as against that,
7-6.
Denmark, as we were discussing, have reached the finals 8 times, but unfortunately have been not been able to inscribe their name on this coveted trophy. They are the only ones who have challenged the might of Asia.
That's right, but they have been the bridesmaid and never the bride. And
8-6.
this time Penty again. Lovely backhand tap. Rattling the cage there of Vettingus as he leads 8-6. One thing good about this young man, Dinesh, is he plays his strokes. He's not averse to taking risks.
Yes,
In
please.
this scoring pattern, one thought, you always play a little careful and all, but he's playing his shots. He goes for the steep shots, goes for the angles.
7-8.
Something nice to see when we watch him.
That's, I think, the right thing to do, because you can't afford to play too safe also.
Well, he left that one too late. Was in two minds there, Penty, whether to play that on the net or lift it. That's the one that went away from him. First push and the second smash from Vettingus. Well, one of the very rare times we have seen him making a mistake like this in this match. Error of the service. And that is inside. So 10th point after winning the first game 21-19. Vettingus now moves on to 10-8. And the 11th point.
11-8.
Doing well there. And that's the score line, as you can see, 21-19, 11-8 to Vettingus of Denmark. So Vettingus a bit lucky there, as couple of the points of couple of the strokes of
Score 2, 20
Penty
seconds.
going outside, Toby Penty. But nonetheless, that's the situation. Denmark leading 2-0 in this tie against England, the 2014 Thomas Cup, and third match on our court right now at Vettingus after winning the first. So it's quite pretty. Oh yes, beautiful two cross-court drop shots.
Service
And both the time Vettingus in fact was being caught on the wrong foot, and then finally Toby goes for the down the line smash. That's another one so close to the line. Well, Dinesh, you have to admire this young man with those lovely
Yes,
strokes.
certainly. I think he has a great future.
Very pleasing to watch this man. 10-11, he's not giving up the fight yet. Even if he's behind, he goes for his shots. That is what is good about him.
No, really playing fantastic game here, and I'm sure we will hear a lot more about him in the future. England, of course, have never produced great singles players. They have been much better as far as the paired events are concerned, but I'm sure they have a lot of hopes, can have a lot of hopes on this young man.
Oh, nicely hit. Fantastic display from Penty. But whether he wins or not, Dinesh, that's not the point, but the man is really winning the hearts
12,
of
11.
the spectators out here.
Certainly. I mean, he's playing a great game. He's going for his shots, and he has got some fair amount of deception. Good hit, all-round game, excellent mover on the court, and that's all that you need to be a good player.
Well, he was a little late for that.
Service over.
Knew he had made a mistake.
12 all.
Late reaction there. Unable to push the shuttle behind. And Vettingus was waiting. Good anticipation from him. 12 all.
12, Toby. 12.
Takes the lead this time, 13-12.
Denmark, of course, having 2-0 lead here, and first game also won by Vittingus of Denmark.
Service
This
over.
was a little unlucky
13 all.
for the Englishman here, wanting to make a net placement there, failing to do that. Well anticipated by Vittingus there, goes back, and a lot of power in that smash. It was the return was not short of length, so the way Vittingus hit, I mean, it was perfect timing on his part to bring that smash down with that much of power. Oh, lovely play there by the Englishman, Penty,
Service over.
creating the
14
opening
all.
very well. A lovely drop shot there, and what a beautiful push out of the reach of Vittingus. No chance at all. Coming in very quickly on that one, equalizing the score at 14 each. Fighting all his way, fighting for every point, and giving a great demonstration of badminton.
Absolutely.
14 all.
Those forehand crosscourt drop shots, or I would say rather a mix between a drop shot and a half smash, so dangerous. Absolutely
15,
giving him all the openings that he
14.
requires.
Certainly comes very fast, although a little long, and catches the opponent on the wrong foot.
Well, that stays in the backhand flick service. He's done it in a very controlled fashion. And surely we're going to see a lot of this man in the future.
That
Service
was sheer
over.
bad luck. It would have been a
15,
winner
16.
had it remained in, but just missing the line by a couple of inches.
I think if he plays more on the circuit and gets more experience, he's going to be a devastating player. Plays with a lot of poise and
17, 15.
confidence, this Toby Penty.
Not overawed by the reputation of his adversary.
Well, this time following it nicely into the net there.
16,
Vittingus, he really has to
17.
now pull up his socks and play his best if he wants to wrap it up in 2 games. Otherwise, this game could well go away from him.
Well,
17
push which
all.
was not very deep. Good anticipation and good interception by the Dane, equalizing the score at 17 apiece. All that was a lovely smash, pushed Vittingus to the net
17.
with that beautifully placed placement there, and he was late on that one, and very well placed smash on the backhand side.
Well, devastating here, Toby Penty. Brilliant display of badminton from him. And
Service
even the
over.
points that he's losing out, Dinesh, have been so close, either the tape or just 1 inch outside the sidelines or the baseline. He's not, once he's committed to a stroke, he goes with it. He's not hesitant.
No, that's the best thing about his game. Playing very freely.
That is also just outside. Well, he has to be careful now. 19-18 to the Dane after winning the first 21-19.
Pressure would be on Penty now. Oh, once again missing that one.
20.
So
Match
going to
point,
match point
18.
now. Vittingus. Two match points with him.
Okay.
Well, he misses. Oh, he actually gets
lucky
it.
one.
Just bouncing off the tape there, Vittingus. Lucky there. Sigh of relief from him. 21-18. that second game score after winning the first 21-19. So he gives Denmark a 3-0 unbeatable lead. 33 minutes, that's what it took him to win this match, 21-19, 21-18.